Okay, today we are providing a video of class 6 science nature of matter chapter 3 because some students has sent message that sir please make a video of class 6 science also. We are making video of different classes but you are leaving class 6 video, so please make a video of class 6. Okay, here nature of matter. Matter means which occupies, they have different shape, sizes, color and other properties. We see a variety of materials around us. It is matter has shape, size, color and other properties. Okay, it is difficult to study each and every property of every material separately. To make the study of materials and their properties here, we classify them into groups and then study the general properties of each group. Okay, you know this thing. Look at the marbles in the given. Here you are seeing, and here you are also seeing this thing. Here you are seeing, here this is a small, this is big. So here now consider the following set of materials. Natural materials, man-made. Natural materials means materials which is found in nature is known as natural materials. But if you make some materials, that is man-made or synthetic materials. Okay, so there is need of classification. Matter, all the things that we see around us are made up of matter. Okay, very simple thing, but it is the backbone of chemistry. From this chapter chemistry is starting, and you should study all these things carefully. Here solid, liquid or gaseous. Matter is divided, classified into three groups on the basis of physical state, namely solid, liquid or gaseous state. Carefully you should see solid, liquid or gaseous. Now here you are seeing solid, liquid, gas. Now how do you define solid, liquid, gas? Here two terms, you should use two things. Our renowned teacher has defined in their book. He has written several books, and in that book he has defined solid like this: shape and volume. You should try to understand this thing. Shape and volume, definite shape and definite volume. This is solid. Now liquid, in case of liquid, not definite shape but definite volume. Liquid, it means if you are keeping water in the glass, shape will be changed. Suppose you are keeping this in bucket, shape will change, that will be shape of bucket, but volume will be same. So you may define solid, definite shape and definite volume. What thing? Definite shape and definite volume. Definite shape and definite volume. Yeah, in this case not definite shape but definite volume. Gases, not definite shape, not definite volume. How you define these things? Very simple. Here definite shape and definite volume, but in this case not definite shape but definite volume, and neither definite shape nor definite volume. Okay, here I want to discuss another thing also, interatomic force. Through this force a particle, a matter is binding each other. This is interatomic force. Okay, now here or now next thing, properties of matter, appearance and feel. You can understand. Transparency, you know water is transparent, polythene is also transparent, glass is a transparent material. Here you may observe this girl is watching this candle. This time there is Deepavali and so you know this thing. If you want to watch through glass a candle, you can watch, because glass is a transparent material. Okay, opaque and transparent. Opaque means through which light will not pass. Okay, some materials do not allow light to pass through them. Such materials are called opaque materials. Okay, now next thing, floating, sinking. Floating, wood will float on the water, while pebbles will sink in the water. Okay, try to understand. There is no matter of English and Hindi. You should try to study all these things in English, because you are an English medium student. Okay. Diffusion, mixing of materials. Two particles of two materials on their own is called diffusion. The property of mixing of particles of two materials on their own is called diffusion. If you read one time, you can understand this thing. Here, ink gets diffused in water. You know this thing. Potassium permanganate crystal get diffused in water. Here I have used formula of potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4. K means potassium, Mn means manganese, O means oxygen. Try to understand. Now dissolution, dissolve, completely mixing. Dissolution, the property. Dissolution of solids in water. Now solubility and saturated solution. Solubility. The maximum amount of substance that can be dissolved in a given volume of water is called the solubility of that substance. Saturated solution. The solution obtained in the above activity cannot dissolve more sugar. It means water cannot dissolve more sugar. Such a solution which cannot dissolve more amount of a given substance at a given temperature is called a saturation solution. Effect of temperature on solubility. It means the solubility will increase. Okay, you should read this thing and you can understand. Now next thing, dissolution of liquids in waters. You may observe dissolution of gases in water. Keywords: diffusion, mixing of particles of two materials on their own. Now question answer time. Here I have written classification. Second answer, space and mass. Third, gases. Fourth, opaque. Fifth, diffusion. False, true, true. Okay. Solids only occupies space and has mass. Gas in another gas, mustard oil. Define the following. The materials which are found naturally. Natural material I have already said, I have already discussed these things. Transparent materials which allow light to completely pass through them. Transparent, example of transparent: glass, water and air. Opaque, wood, rock and wall. Third, gaseous, solid. Four, free movement of particles. Why do materials diffuse into each other? Free movement of particles. You are also doing free movement, but you should also be careful about your study. The maximum amount of substance that can be dissolved in a given volume of water: sugar, salt and lemon juice, sand, chalk powder and soil. Okay. Value based question. Scientific thinking and observant. Here diffusion to be done by the students. Okay, it should be done by students. You may write answer of this question. Okay. Now question answer time. But some students has said that sir, please send question answer of chapter first also. So I am providing this chapter 1, 2 and 3. 2 is also in the video, but this time I am presenting this thing. Now chapter 3. If you want to write, you should pause the video and you are able to write anything. Okay. Nature of matter, class 6 science. You may write, pause the video, and you are able to write answer of any question. Here I have provided only answer of E1 because all questions answer have given in the book. Try to pause the video and try to write answer of all the questions. Okay, only 5 questions are there in the book and I am providing answer of all these questions. One thing I want to share here, and that thing is my channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. My channel on YouTube is SK Singh Bikramganj. Don't forget. You should write this thing SK Singh Bikramganj and you should subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj on YouTube. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.